Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription. This is all thanks to Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire. Quick walk around of the vehicle. It is beautiful. It's your key fob right here. A little sunshade. I love this black metallic. I mean, you can just see the flakes in the paint. It's beautiful. Once inside, it is quiet in here. It's really, really nice. Panoramic sunroof. Look at that. That's awesome. Beautiful Alcantara on the headliner and even on the A-pillars. Let's go ahead and get it started. If I'm not mistaken, this has the same motor that's in the XC or the S60, I'm sorry. So it's a supercharged and turbocharged motor. If I'm not mistaken, you guys will correct me in the comments if I am. Wonderful power. I mean, you're not going to be asking for more power. Of course, I mean, every car guy is going to want more power, but this is exactly what this car, the engine fits the car very well. Handles like a dream. Pretty cool. You don't see planes sitting on the runway too much. They're going to be taking off in a second. The brakes inspire a lot of confidence. The pedal feel is really good. It's not too touchy at the beginning, but as you give it more and more weight, it weightens up nicely and gives you more and more brake. Gas pedal's not at all touchy. It's very user-friendly and easy to drive around town, which is what this car was designed to do. And very, very good luxury. You also have manual mode. Move the shifter over to the left. Down is down, up is up for shifting. I mean, this car, the reason I'm pretty silent is there's not a lot to really talk about. I mean, it's just good. Everything, all the touch points are really good. It will auto upshift for you if you start to run it towards red line. It's not really designed to be pegged off the rev limiter all the time. Driving experience is really refined, and for, I believe the sticker on this car is 67, might be a little bit higher. But for that price point, you're not gonna get a more luxurious car for the money. Volvo is, I definitely respect the brand now. I don't know if anyone's trying to be funny or if you could see the plate, but this Nissan Rogue has a license plate that says 840 horsepower. So yeah, it's the SV though, so it's super veloce. So I mean, yeah, unless they own a Demon, but I would be surprised if there was a Demon in Manchester. When you're on the highway, you can put it down because you have all different modes. You can do individual, or you could do comfort. Comfort, everything's nice and quiet, nice and smooth. But yeah, overall, this car is really good. I really like it. Again, thank you so much to Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire for allowing me to come down and film these Volvos today. I'll include a link to their website in the description box below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for future content.